Great home in conveniently located Adams Hill Farm. This spacious 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home with a cozy, country feel is filled with natural light and perfect on those dreary Indiana days. Walk in through the beautiful 2-story entry with open staircase. Enjoy the formal dining room, formal living room/den with built-in bookshelves, kitchen, family room, laundry room and half-bath all on the main level. The spacious kitchen has ample counter and cabinet space plus multiple pantries. All stainless steel kitchen appliances, including gas range, are included. Washer and dryer stay. The upper level has 4 generously sized bedrooms in addition to a bonus room that can be used as a playroom or for easy storage. The luxurious master suite features a large walk-in closet with custom, built-in shelving, a jetted garden tub with tile surround, stand-up shower, and a twin sink vanity. The crawlspace area is dry and accessible from the exterior of the home and via a secured interior door. Perfect for not only storage but safety from Indiana storms with lighting and electrical outlets. Another unique feature of this house is the bonus space in back of the garage. Perfect for your Harleys, an extra fridge, more storage, a workbench and/or shelving. The large back deck has plenty of space for grilling and entertaining. This house is conveniently situated just 3.1 miles from Indiana University's Sample Gates and less than 2 miles from the Tapp Road I-69 interchange. Nearby you'll find parks and running trails as well as the elementary school that is only